Hi, my name is Glenda B, and thank you for tuning into my channel Glenda B Daily Scriptures and Motivation. I don't know about you, but in the times we are currently living in, everyone can use daily scriptures that will motivate them from day to day. Feel free to follow along as the Bible verses are being read to you. I hope you enjoy today's Bible verses and that they will encourage you to keep going. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and share this video with someone who may need it. Proverbs 3:1-2, My son, forget not my law, but let thine heart keep my commandments. For length of days and long life and peace shall they add to thee. Deuteronomy 32:2. My doctrine shall drop as the rain, my speech shall distill as the dew, as the small rain upon the tender herb, and as the showers upon the grass. Second Corinthians 9:8. And God is able to make all grace abound toward you, that ye, always having all sufficiency in all things, may abound to every good work. Psalm 37:16-17. A little that a righteous man hath is better than the riches of many wicked. For the arms of the wicked shall be broken, but the Lord upholdeth the righteous. Leviticus 26:3-4. If ye walk in my statutes and keep my commandments and do them, then I will give you rain in due season, and the land shall yield her increase, and the trees of the field shall yield their fruit. Philippians 4:12. I know both how to be abased, and I know how to abound. Everywhere and in all things I am instructed both to be full and to be hungry, both to abound and to suffer need. Second Corinthians 1:5. For as the sufferings of Christ abound in us, so our consolation also aboundeth by Christ. Ezekiel 34:26. And I will make them in the places round about my hill a blessing, and I will cause the shower to come down in his season. There shall be showers of blessing.